Hey guys, this is Miles from VRD Media, and I'm here today with my Evo 4G LTE. I'm currently flashing Deck's build of CM10 ROM. Now it's still unofficial at this point, but from what I've seen on IRC and the changelog and stuff today, it looks like an excellent build. Everything's working, although some things are glitchy. So I'll test it out here, and later in the video we'll see how it works. Alright, we're currently booting up here. I'll let that go ahead and finish on its own, and I'll do the setup process, then we'll jump right into how the ROM works, how smooth it is. Alright, so I have everything flashed and set up basically now, so let's go ahead and take a look at how well this works. So right off the bat, one of the things that was, one of the most recent things that was fixed was Google Now, especially launching from the lock screen, and when using it with touch sounds off and things like that. So let's go ahead and test that out. GOOG.
Google is down 0.06% to $675.15 in after-hours trading.
Worked perfectly. It was super snappy, especially since I'm on 3G right now, not Wi-Fi. So that was great. It works exactly how it should. All the card notifications, like commute time to work over whatever route it thinks you should take, that works perfectly. So as you can see, the just swiping between home screens on Jelly Bean CM10 ROM is it's amazing. It brings a level of fluidity to Android that we've really never seen before. And I mean, I was impressed when I flashed this a few other times over the course of the summer to test out various features. And this is, I think, even faster than it was before. So very impressive, just in terms of how smooth everything is. And like if you've used stock ice cream sandwich, then you'll know that there was always some lag when switching between apps and widgets. Well, absolutely none. There's really no lag in any area of the phone, really. So the camera, let's go to that. It's for the most part, it's all working now. There is kind of you don't get the same shutter speed that you do on. Yeah, see, it's relatively fast, but it's not the zero shutter lag that you'd get on the Galaxy Nexus right now, or even on the any Sense ROM for this, since those are completely fully functional. Since and as you can see, the front-facing camera, it's working now as well. And it's all pretty snappy. Camcorder works. I think it can capture 720p at the moment, not 1080. I'm not 100% sure on that. I'll leave the annotation when I look it up. Panorama works. So all of the camera features technically work, but they're not going to be particularly fluid yet, and they are kind of buggy, especially when you switch between modes. You can get some force closes when you do that. So something that'll be a big thing for people coming from a Sense ROM is multitasking, and as it should, it works perfectly. Everything will actually run at once. You won't get any of the suspending apps, closing apps to save memory crap that Sense does. Alright, so I'm going to be testing out battery life on this tomorrow. I'm probably going to keep it running on here for at least another 24 hours just to get the full effect, now that all of the features are working, if a little bit glitchy in some points, like the camera. If you have any requests, then feel free to shoot me a private message or an email, or leave a comment, any of that stuff. And if I'm still running it, then I'll test it out. If I'm not, then I'll answer it to the best of my ability, or direct you towards someone who can. I'll make sure to post the battery usage that I get out of this tomorrow. Probably going to be testing it under heavy usage, since I have multitasking now, and since it's I mean, it's CM10 on here. It's a fun ROM to use. So I'll let you guys know how that works out, and might upload another video for the next version of this, maybe when all of the bugs have been worked out. But for now, this is it.